great, hasn't you? Okay, so in the previous class we learned the parts of a computer. Do you remember about it? Which are the parts of computer? Yes, the first part, that is monitor. Monitor. Okay, what is the spelling of monitor? Yes, M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Okay, what is the spelling? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Okay, then which is the next part of a computer? Yes, of course, that is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Okay, what is the spelling? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Then, what is the other part of the computer? Yes, that is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Okay, what is the spelling? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Then, what are the next part of the computer? Yes, it's very simple. That is CPU. CPU. The expanded form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. That also you want to study. Okay. What is the expanded form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Okay. So these are the parts of computer. Okay. Which is that? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU that we learned in the previous class. So let's watch a video about the parts of computer.
Hello students. Do you know which are the parts of computer? As we know, a human body is made up of various parts like eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs. Similarly, a computer is also made up of various parts. All these parts together make a computer works. അപ്പോൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് പാർട്സ് ഏതെല്ലാമാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Computer is a machine that has 4 parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Let's learn about these parts one by one. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows all the works done by us. It also displays the result. We can see movies and videos by using a monitor. Have you seen a black box which attached to your computer? It is known as CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ബ്രെയിൻ എന്നാണ് CPU-നെ വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിൻ എങ്ങനെയാണോ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബോഡി പാർട്സിനെ നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്നത്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ CPU കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ മറ്റു പാർട്സിനെ നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്നു. All the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. Just as you use a pencil to write on a paper, a computer also needs a keyboard to type any alphabet, numbers, etc. There are 104 keys on a standard keyboard. Mouse. A computer mouse is look like a real mouse. It has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. A mouse is used for clicking and selecting files and pictures on the screen. It also helps us to draw pictures and play games.
Welcome back, my dear students. Let's do some worksheet based on the parts of a computer. Are you ready for that? Okay, let's do it.
Worksheet 1. Identify the different parts of the computer. Write the names in the blank boxes. The hints also given here, that is CPU, mouse, printer, monitor, keyboard. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താണ് ഈ പിക്ചറിൽ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത്? അതെ, ഇതൊരു ഡെസ്ക്ടോപ്പ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറാണ് അല്ലേ? ഒരു ഡെസ്ക്ടോപ്പ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ പാർട്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് എഴുതുവാനാണ് നിങ്ങളോട് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ള ബോക്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ്? Can you identify that part of computer? Yes, that is monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? Yes, that is MONITOR. എല്ലാവരും എഴുതിയോ? ആ ബോക്സിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും എഴുതണം. ടീച്ചർ എഴുതിയ പോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളും എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് മൂവ് ടു ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ബോക്സ്. What is that? Can you see that black box? What is the name of that black box? Yes, CPU. Do you know the expanded form of CPU? Yes, you're correct. Central Processing Unit. Very good. Okay, dear students, let's move to the next box. That is third box. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ പിക്ചറിൽ എന്താ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത്? അതെ, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ പാർട്സിൽ ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ പാർട്ടാണ് അല്ലേ? ഇറ്റ്സ് ലുക്ക് ലൈക്ക് എ റാറ്റ്, ഇസ്ന്റ് ഇറ്റ്? സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ നെയിം ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ? യെസ്, മൗസ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് ഓഫ് മൗസ്? ക്യാൻ യു സേ? MOUSE. Very good. The spelling is MOUSE, mouse. Okay. What about the fourth box? What is that part of computer? Yes, it is look like a piano, isn't it? So which is that part of computer? It is a keyboard. Okay, what is the spelling of keyboard? What is it? KEYBOARD. Very good. So, all of you want to write this activity in your notebook. Okay. Let's move to the next activity. Are you ready? Okay. Drag the name to the correct place. The hints are given below, that is monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. What is the first question? Can you read it? The dash controls the computer. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഏത് പാർട്ടാണ്? യെസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് CPU. So we can write here CPU. Very good. What is the next question? Yes, the dash shows what is being done on the computer. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് തന്നെ ചെയ്താലും അത് ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യുന്ന കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ പാർട്ട് ഏതാണ്? യെസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മോണിറ്റർ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. Okay, let's read the next question, that is the third question. Okay, we can move the pointer on the screen using the dash. നമ്മൾ സ്ക്രീനിലുള്ള പോയിൻ്റ് അത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കേഴ്സർ അത് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടും ഫയലുകളും ഫോൾഡറുകളും സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടും നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ പാർട്ട് ഏതാണ്? Yes, the smallest part of the computer, that is mouse. Very good. The last question on this worksheet. What is that? We can enter letters and numbers into the computer using the dash. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ ലെറ്റേഴ്സും നമ്പേഴ്സും എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യാനായി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലെ ഏത് പാർട്ടാണ്? Can you say the answer? Yes, very good. It is keyboard. Okay, so we can write the keyboard like this. Okay, എല്ലാവരും ഇതുപോലെ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ? Unjumble the words and match them with pictures. Some words are given here that you want to write in the correct way. These words are jumbled. Okay. So, you want to rearrange these words. What is the first word? S-O-U-M-E. Do you have any idea about that word? Okay. What is that? Yes, mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? Okay, very good. M-O-U-S-E. So, mouse is a part of computer. Can you identify the image of mouse? Yes, it is here. So, we can join a line like this. Okay, very good. What about the next word? T-O-N-M-I-O-R. Do you have any idea about which is that word? Yes, very good. Monitor. Okay. What is the correct spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Okay. Let's join the word monitor with the image. Okay, can you see the image? Yes, it is here. So we can join the line like this. Okay. Look at the next word. It's very simple, isn't it? What is the word? P-U-C. So, which part of computer is that? Yes, very good. It is CPU. What is the expanded form of CPU? Yes, Central Processing Unit, isn't it? So, can you see an image of CPU here? Yes, of course, it is here. You found it, isn't it? Okay, so let's join the word CPU with the image of CPU. Okay, very good. What about the last word? What is that spelling? Can you say? Yes, Y-E-B-K-R-D-A-O. Do you have any idea about that word? Which is that part of computer? Yes, that is keyboard. Okay. What is the spelling of keyboard? Can you say that? What is that? Yes, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Okay, what is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Can you find the image of keyboard here? Where is it? Yes, it is in the top of that pictures, isn't it? Okay, so let's join the word keyboard to the image of keyboard. Very good. So, dear students, today you completed this activities very well. Very good. Parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. All of you want to study the spelling of these parts of computer.
Okay, dear students, welcome back. Today we learned about the parts of computer, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. You learned more about the parts of computer, isn't it? Okay, so we can meet in the interactive session. Bye.